Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Ticketmaster error code U533. So first of all, you need to open up your web browser and clear all your browser's cache and history. For Chrome users, hold down Ctrl-Shift and Delete key on your keyboard. A pop-up window will open up. Simply select All Time in the box next to Time Range. Then checkmark all the boxes and tap on Clear Data. Once you're done with it, check if the issue is resolved. But if you still encounter the issue, then most of the time, the glitch is on the seller's account, not yours. So in that case, you need to go to your orders page and then find your order, the one you're having trouble with, which will be either in the Upcoming tab or Past Event tab. Then click See Details. Click Contact Us at the bottom right of the Event Details page, and then click Email Us. Explain everything regarding the error, and then just send the email. But if you are unable to locate your order in your account, then you can simply go to this page and fill up this form. Once the form is filled and submitted, Ticketmaster officials will contact you and help you resolve the issue. Well, I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.